Yo, what is up, internet? Brodad here, going out for a walk. I think it's 4 days in a row. Maybe I should take it a little slow today. My old knees can't take it. Oh crap. It's starting to rain. That's a little disappointing. It's not a hard rain, just little, like, tiny little drops. But what they do is they act as like finger stops on the screen when you start spinning or whatever. It fucks it up. Let's say you're spinning and then you hit like a water patch and your finger just slows down. Probably see it. That's how I try to catch these Pokemons. Anyway, so how y'all doing? Yeah, whatever, no one's fucking watching. It's Sustainability Week. I think it's day 2 today. Cottony is a good little cup pick. Actually, it's a very good little cup pick. And the evolution of it has fairy wind now, so it's got some play. It's not top of the top, but you can do stuff with it. It's a like charm user. Well, it has charm moves. So your fairy wind's like a mud shock clone, sort of. Well, sort of, not sort of. It is. Oh, crap. So you can get energy fast, so you can like throw off. It has, I think there's 2 good ones. There's a bunch of crappy ones. I don't know them. I don't remember them. I'm not even on Daily Incense yet. It's gonna be a long one. It's a rainy one too. It sucks. Balls. Going the long way out. Just thought, oh, where's the incense? What? Incense disappeared? What the fuck is this? Alright, so I think I waited too long to take the daily incense. We're 10 minutes from midnight. So it's about to turn over. So I guess I fucked up. Anyway, it's raining, so well, this will be a short one. Sustainability Week, Drillbur Shiny, go get that. If you're lucky, there's Larvitar spawns. Boonsweet, this new little radish Pokemon. He's also a rare spawn in the binnacle, whatever you want to call it. Kind of rocked with like 2 pincer arms coming out of it. I think it's a cool looking Pokemon. So yeah, those are the rare spawns. This isn't, is it? I don't think it's part of the wild event spawns. It's probably a wild spawn. Mushroom is Fungoose. He is part of the event spawns. He's a Stardust boost. I think he's 750, if I'm not mistaken. Not as good as Shelter. 625, okay. And no, he's probably, was he weather boosted? Weather boost is another quarter. 625. 5 plus 125, 625. So it's a 500 base. Weather boosted goes to 625. The weather boost gives a quarter more. So on a standard catch 100 you get 125. Shelters 1,000 you get 1,250. Yeah, so if you want dust, well, probably now, I don't know if it nests or not, shelter, but I'd wait till after the event spawns. There's no, when there's like an event, if that species spawns, usually it doesn't spawn anymore. One of the more famous incidents is the Heracross when it became shiny. It stopped spawning in places where it was normally spawning. There was that raid event thing for it. So people would raid all over to get it. Which, I mean, it's okay, whatever. You know, they're a company trying to make money. Get it. You know, if you're from the area, you could have just like, not raided it. If you're willing to pay whatever, I don't know, $5, $10, $20, $50, $200, that's what you can spend on it. You're willing to put it. I mean, it's up to you. If you're like playing to try to get the hundo or the shundo or whatever, and you don't get it, then it fucking sucks. It's basically gambling. Basically. Well, it's like low grade gambling. It's the same sort of, you're chasing for that specific hundo or shundo or just shiny. Depends how lofty your goals are. How big are your brawls, bro? You could be lucky, just do a couple raids, you get a hundo. You could do a couple raids and get a shiny. So fun fact, shiny legendaries, not all shinies. Wild shinies are not auto catches, but in raids, legendary, I think any raid Pokemon, legendaries for sure, all raid Pokemons, I believe the shinies are automatic catches, meaning they can't run. So ideally you want to put a berry that gives it more candies, like a pineapple, silver pineapple if you have it. I mean, if you're doing a 3-star raid, or maybe you don't have to do that, it's up to you. But for like a legendary raid, where those candies are harder to get because you can only get it from raids, so that means you have to do raids to get candies, or you can walk, or you can trade. But the easiest way is through the actual raids. And rare candies. Yeah. You can always use rare candies. So that's the other hot commodity, rare candies. And for XL, you need rare candy XL, which is barely give you any. I think you get like one per level, and every once in a while you get one for some special, I don't know, a special event. No, not events, the quests. Some quests will give you some. No, Rare Candy XL, you can also get it from raids. Legendary raids, in-person raids. There's a probability of getting it, and so they've had raid events where there's increased chances of Candy XL. But I mean, it's pretty hard to get. And if you want to XL, I think level 50 is 296 XL candies. So that's a crap ton of XL candies. If you figure, I don't know, just to get like 3 XL candies or 4 for a raid, you need 296. 3 100, let's say divided by 4. Math is not good. So yeah, 150 is 75. So you need to do 75 raids. Let's say it's there for a week. So you get 7 free ones, and plus your other 8. You can get up to 8 free raids, and you need to do 75, we said. So 75 divided by 8. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 9, 72. It's not enough, unless you're lucky. So it has to be like 7 weeks if you're only using free raid passes. So it's hard as crud to get. They're super long. Like, let's say Mewtwo, how many times does it come out a year? No more than 2. And we said about you need 8 weeks. So 4 times. So then, like, it would take you 4 years basically if you only use like free raids to max out, let's say, a Mewtwo. Have you been filming?